Bit of a... Righto, we've woken up in Hong Kong. China. We'll fill you in on why we're here for a bit of business stuff later on, but let's go and get a coffee. We landed here yesterday morning, had a bit of a look around, and then we've got another day here, fly out tomorrow to go see some of our manufacturers and a few different things. But yeah, it's weird over here, a bit like most of Asia. Nothing opens till like 11 o'clock, so I tried to get a coffee at like 8 AM and nothing was open.
It's like a light, like everyone stays out really late. Yeah, so you can't do anything till like night time.
Which is also the good part about Asia, it's always pumping at night time. Well, we just looked up a cafe and we thought, oh, this one looks alright, we'll walk to it. Have a go at it. It's like 100 people here lined up, so won't be on here, I think. Change of plans to join the cult. Lining up.
Yum.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah.
Oh, do you get two of them?
We're about to get the ferry over to the other side of the city.
We had to put our jumpers on because all of a sudden it's like come over really chilly for some reason. Like it was really nice this morning and now it's like cold, but I don't know, it might warm up again.
We also just found out that Hong Kong's the most expensive city in the world, which is weird because it's not that expensive.
Well, it's kind of like Australian prices.
Yeah, it's pretty much just Australian prices.
I mean, we haven't obviously been everywhere, so we can't really say that, but where we've been so far has been Australian prices really well. Where are we going now? So, we are going to Central Upper Deck, whatever that is. How much did it cost us to get that ticket?
So 6, it's like $1.20 each.
To get across the other side on the ferry. There is quite a few stairs. Goes all the way up. Heaps of different markets. It's just like so much and like everything. It's crazy. Bags, jewelry, magnets, shoes.
So apparently this is the longest escalator in the world. Pretty sure we're gonna walk back down, but so not about that. Just the glasses shop, having a bit of a look around. What do you reckon?
I don't know what this is. This is like tea. They do like lemon tea, pink tea, just like normal tea. But I did try the lemon and it was actually really good. Hey, no.
I was going to 7-Eleven, see what beers they got.
Oh, beers they have. Alright, let's do a taste.
We've got a Kirin. I actually haven't been able to find a Chinese beer yet. Most of them are imported, so it's a Kirin.
Kirin. Good?
6.
Let me have a little taste. It's quite strong, but the flavour is actually pretty good.
So the reason we're actually in China, I don't know if we've actually explained this, but we're going to see our manufacturers and then we're going to Canton Fair, which is the biggest trade fair in the world, which has all different manufacturers, new products, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, that's why we're over here. So we're flying up north tomorrow, which is about a 2-hour flight, about 2 hours inland from Shanghai, an area called Hangzhou. That's where our rug manufacturer is and our chair manufacturer. So we're going to see them, and we're actually meeting someone tomorrow night for dinner. A completely different side quest that who knows if it'll ever happen, but just going to meet up with another manufacturer, going out to dinner with them, go and see their warehouse and stuff. So yeah, we're doing that tomorrow.
Super exciting because they like pick us up from the airport and we go out for dinner with them. And yeah, it's gonna be really fun and a great experience. No chance on doing that. Alright, what do you got? Another one.
We're a Blue Girl.
Blue Girl.
So once again, it's a German lager, but that's good. It's unreal. Yeah.
Really?
I have to give it an 8 because I've already given one a 7. So
I think that's the best one you've tried so far.
Blue Girl. Bit of a shop here if you want to buy any stuff. I don't know if you've seen, but the locals don't like being filmed, so they all duck down. You can get a photo here with this camera. $5, and they take a photo of that, which you can also just take yourself. But we've ended up with some people at our table, but we'll tell you a story on that later.
Best beach for you guys.
Oh, we don't go to.
Am I even visible?
we
With the lighting.
We don't go to Sydney very much. No. What? You love Sydney?
I love Sydney. It's the best city in the world.
Aww.
Is it?
When I'm there.
We've got a Sydney lover on our hands.
You thinking Macca's?
My sister. No, actually, we're thinking 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. We're thinking 7-Eleven. So we just got some insights from that guy. He's an Indian, and he said that apparently they got this thing in India where they only buy a franchise when they go to other countries because they're guaranteed to not fail.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
It's actually crazy what he was telling us.
Which is pretty interesting. He's like, he's never been to Australia. He goes, oh, in Australia, like, do all the Indians own mini marts or 7-Elevens or whatever? And it's like, yeah. And he's just like, yeah, it's because they're just guaranteed not to fail. Like, wow, that's very interesting.
Oh my god.
So, buy a mini mart.
Yeah, it actually made so much sense. Everything he was saying. I was like, this is so true. Like,
and they all invest in each other, so they all got parts in every single business. Right, we're walking into Macca's. We've been told Macca's is
really good apparently.
Yeah, the best Macca's in the world, so there we go.
I don't ever eat Macca's in Australia. Like, I hate Macca's. And apparently we have to try it in Hong Kong.
We actually went a whole year last year without having Macca's, didn't we?
Yeah, like we never eat Macca's. I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest with you. Alright guys, so we've just come for a morning coffee before we head on our next flight to Hangzhou. We're going to go see a few different manufacturers in Hangzhou that we work with. Go out for dinner with them. We're going to go look at a few different clothing markets because I want to buy a few pieces. And then that's pretty much it. We're there for like 3 days, aren't we?
3 nights, 4 days, yeah.
3 nights, 4 days, and then we also go to, we're going to get another manufacturer to pick us up. We're going to go about 2 hours north, is it? South. 2 hours south. I have no idea where I am, to be honest with you. Yeah, pretty excited. It's going to be a big few days, but very keen to meet our manufacturers. So yeah.